One whole set digital optical fiber repeater system includes near-end repeater, remote end repeater, receiving antenna, transmitting antenna, optical fiber cable, half cable, and some accessories for fixing. Installation guide. Step 1. Fix the receiving antenna. Find a place with a good signal source outdoors. Fix the receiving antenna on a pole. Adjust the screw fixing frame behind the antenna. Make the receiving antenna face the base station direction. Step 2. Connect the receiving antenna and near-end repeater. Connect the half cable to the receiving antenna and make sure the connection is tight. The other end of the half cable is connected to the BS port of the near-end repeater. Step 3. Connect the near-end and remote-end repeaters. The optical fiber cable is inserted into the OP1 port of the near-end repeater tightly. The other end of the fiber optic cable is connected to the OP1 port of the remote repeater, and the connection is ensured to be tight. Step 4. Connect remote-end repeater and transmitting antenna. The MS end of the remote repeater is connected to the transmitting antenna with half cable. Transmitting antenna should face in the area where it needs to cover signal. Note that distance of receiving and transmitting antenna should be 50 m at least. Face to the opposite direction to avoid the interference issue. Testing. After making sure the whole set equipment is connected correctly, plug in the power supply of the near-end repeater first. Wait for the running light, run blue, to turn from fast flashing to full flashing. Second, turn on the remote end repeater. Wait for the run blue light of the remote repeater from fast flashing to slow flashing. Then you can test the signal strength. After testing, our optical fiber repeater can effectively improve the weak signal and the quality of voice calls. Please contact us for details.